Hello, how are you doing? Hello, how are you doing? Hello, how are you doing? Hello. Hello, how are you doing, sir? Hello, how are you doing? I'm good. Hello, how are you doing? Hello, sir, how are you doing? ninkaasina waa Churchill ra'iisul wasaarihii hore baalka sanamkaasaa loo sameeyay. Hello, how are you doing, guys?
We're good, thanks. We're a bit hungover. But
A bit
yeah.
hungry.
Hungover?
So
Yeah.
you guys going to restaurant right now?
We're just walking around a bit. Yeah, maybe we could try and find one, yeah, see what's around.
I would like to ask you a question. How would you describe this day?
It's sad, but it's nice seeing everyone come together.
True.
Yeah.
It's quite like once in a lifetime kind of thing, isn't it? Like it's not really going to happen again. Or these people.
True.
Yeah.
The second is, what did the Queen mean to you?
I liked her. It's like a sense of comfort because she's always been there, and it's just nice to see her. Like when you see her at events and stuff, it was nice.
Yeah. Also, I guess like it's like when you go abroad and stuff, it's all people. Everyone like recognizes England with the Queen. So yeah, everyone kind of like oh yeah, you got the Queen, and we're like yeah.
True.
Yeah.
Where are you guys from?
We're from like Staffordshire.
Up in the Midlands.
Yeah, near like Stoke-on-Trent.
Okay.
Yeah.
So next is finding a good restaurant.
Yeah. Have you got any recommendations?
No. I'm outside. I'm trying to stay healthy.
No.
Yeah, but enjoy it.
Thank you. Thank
No
you.
problem. Thanks a lot.
Thanks so much.
halkan imika waxaa loo socdaa balaskii kaas imika la fasaxay dadkii. Hello, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Chloe.
Chloe. All right. And how would you describe this day?
Magical and wonderful. That's how I would describe the day.
Okay. What did the Queen mean to you?
What did she make me?
Mean to you?
She meant a lot because she was the queen since I was a little child. So I've known her since I've grown up and stuff. So it's very sad that she's passed away.
Sure. So what?
I'm just going to walk around and mourn her.
Showing respect.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot for your time.
You're welcome.
اليوم يوم حدث تاريخي في المملكة البريطانية. شو رأيك في هذا اليوم؟
حدث تاريخي هام وحدث تاريخي ليس فقط على مستوى بريطانيا ولكنه حدث تاريخي على مستوى دول الكومنولث والتي طبعا العائلة المالكة والملكة هي رأس هرم الدولة في أكثر من 14 دولة في الكومنولث منها كندا وجامايكا وأستراليا ونيوزيلندا.
Hello, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, thank you.
What's your name?
Sila.
Sila.
Yes.
Sila, I have two questions to ask.
Okay.
First question is, how would you describe this day?
It is a very sad, mournful day. The loss of one of the world's greatest leaders. Yeah, it's a big moment in history.
Are you from here?
No, I'm from Canada.
Canada?
Yeah.
I recognize this accent. So what the Queen meant to you?
Well, she was the Queen of Canada, so she was a leader of our country as well. Not overly involved as a Commonwealth country, but always looked up to her and the royals growing up.
And she printed on your money, like currency money.
Yes, yeah, she's on all our coins, all our dollar bills. Yes, yeah, everything.
You grow up with this.
Oh yes, yeah, everything.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So what are you going to do next?
I'm gonna go to Westminster Abbey and just take one last peek before I head out of London. Yes, yeah.
Enjoy your day.
Thank you, you as well.
imika calaamada dalalkaas oo dhan waa intii boqorada maamuleysay si toos ah u maamusho waa 14 dawladood calaamadooda boqortooyada ama gumaysi soo naqaan anaga. Hello.
Hello, hi.
How you guys doing?
Very good, thank you.
good.
Very good. Today is a big day.
Yes.
How can you guys describe this day?
I think one word.
Monumental.
Yeah, momentous. It's the culmination of a whole week of different events, and I think we all feel we've got kind of closure on the great lady herself, Queen Elizabeth II.
No, I was just
You?
admiring the view.
It was very dignified the way we sent her off. It was very touching as well.
Throughout the Queen's career, she always put Britain on the stage anyway, but this seems to have reignited the passion maybe for the monarchy. Well, we hope so for King Charles III.
What the Queen Elizabeth meant to you guys?
Madam.
I think she was a rock for the whole country. Everybody respected her, looked up to her. So, you know, the stability of most of the people's lives has changed. So it's just a new world to start again. So, yeah, there won't be another one the same now. 70 years is never going to happen.
I think people have said she's the mother, she's a grandmother, and she relates to everybody. The young people, from teenagers, middle-aged to older people, and you can't get a better unifying model than that kind of character.
And yeah, I mean, I've known her my whole life and we'll miss her. Yeah, she meant stability and the right way to do things.
No problem.
What you got on? He hasn't been asleep.
Hello, how are you doing, sir?
I'm good. How about yourself?
Very well, very well. Thank you for asking. My question to you is, how would you describe this day?
Really, once in a lifetime opportunity, I would say. I mean, it's a special day for being an American citizen. It's not as touching as it is for most people here, but
ninkan American waxaas ma oga. Anagu waa jirtaa nin Soomaaliya jiro u ooynay boqorada. Waxaa la yiraahdaa Xasan Dhiiqo isagoo ooynaya maasha Allah. Laakiin waxa ka yaab badan ma taqaan Xasan Dhiiqo isagoo ooynayo wax kale noo jira. Madaxdii Afrikaanka oo basas lagu keenay. Kuwa kale adduunkana ma taqaan waxay wataan gawaari iyo si sharaf leh loo keenay. kuwa Afrikaankana ma taqaana basketball team oo kale waxa lagu keenay bas ilaahayo hay badana ka qaadin sharafta.
The reception at Buckingham Palace. President Biden arrived in his armored limousine, but dozens of other leaders packed onto a fleet of coaches. At a reception at Buckingham Palace.
it's still, I can feel how important it is for him.
Hello, how are you doing?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm very well. Where are you from?
I'm from Australia.
Australia?
Yes.
Okay. I think I can ask you about this. How would you describe this day?
I would say it's obviously a monumental day. It's a day of mourning. It's solemn, but it's also nice to see how many people have come down to the city and to see a city come together, essentially. Yeah, so impactful.
What did the Queen mean to you?
We're from Australia, so we're part of the Commonwealth, so she's obviously, a mother figure there. So, quite a big deal. Quite a big deal. Yeah, definitely.
Thanks a lot. Hello, sir. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name is Reverend Remy Olajide.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Would you like to describe this day?
Describe. It's so sad and so painful, but we thank God for her life. She lived a good life and very kind, lovely, caring, everything that human being, an understanding of humankind.
Yes. What did the Queen Elizabeth mean to you?
It meant a lot. It's a great-great-grandmother. It's a mother. It's a mother. It's a real mother. I love her because of what she has done to foreigners in this country. He take care of us, give us shelter, benefit, whatever we ask for, we will do it for us. Yeah. Very, very kind. Just too kind.
Thank you.
Just too kind. I'm crying in my heart. We miss him, we miss her, and we're going to miss her forever. But we don't know, we're going to meet again until Resurrection Day. We're going to meet. I love her, and I say good night and goodbye to the Queen, Her Majesty Elizabeth II, the Queen of England.
Thanks a lot, my brother.
May her gentle soul continue to rest in perfect peace, and good night and goodbye.
Thanks a lot, my brother.